So today I want to, talk about something very important, and that is like, when the a boy gets married in Punjab or in India, and their parents become very obsessed with their kids. They don't let them go anywhere else to stay, or like they don't want to get separated because they want to live with their kids. They think like they raised kids and they gave them education just so that they can just live with them and like not do anything like they what they want to do. Like if a man wants to live with their family alone without their parents, it's like a very big deal for the parents, and they're very sad about it, and they are constantly targeting his wife because they think that his wife is like brainwashing their kid so that she can live alone. But in other countries like in Australia, or like in other countries like USA, Canada, China, like girls are living alone on rent in other countries. I have seen so many vlogs of people who are living alone at 36, or whether they are divorced or they haven't like actually married until now. So they are living alone, and their parents are living alone, and they don't have any problem with that. And in India it's like so problematic for parents and for kids. Like the girls, they are like actually conditioned from the beginning that they have to leave the house of their parents and go somewhere else to live with his husband's parents. But the boys, their mind is like they are like so they are like so in that programmed, like they think like they cannot leave their parents. This is their mentality. They actually leave their kids. They they have a wife now and they have kids, but they will actually think that it's right to live with their parents, and it's right to leave their wife and kids. They don't think they think that it's their responsibility to take care of their parents and their other siblings, but not their kids and their wife. They can let them go very easily and just like focus on their parents. But instead they should actually, when the Indian parents send their kids abroad, they are happy, they can live without them and they have no problem. But when the kid wants to live with his wife or kids alone, they have a lot of problems with it, and they are constantly criticizing his wife and his kids, and they're more important, they become more important at that time, that their son should choose